What's in there? What's so interesting? Oh, you're taking off with a toy already. Okay. Can I see what that is? Says it's a tea party. And you are just wanting this so much. Oh my goodness.